Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One. In this video, I'm going to show you how I am going to regrow rosemary bought from the store. I bought this rosemary from BJ's and it was $2.99. You are getting a lot of rosemary for that price. Always make sure that you check your rosemary before purchasing it because you want to make sure that you get the best cuttings possible. Rosemary not only make your food taste good, but it is a powerful antioxidant and it could be used in hair products, make your house smell good, and it looks really pretty in a pot. And another good thing about rosemary that it regrows every year. To regrow rosemary, all you have to do is take a rosemary cutting, pinch half of the bottom leaves off, then put the bare stem into water, or you can put the bare stem directly into soil. Don't forget to use the rosemary that you pinched off. For example, the rosemary that I pinched off, I used it in steak and shrimp smothered in a buttery garlic rosemary sauce, all cooked on a griddle. But anyway, y'all didn't come here to hear that. But this is really it, you guys, and hopefully this video was helpful. If you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing, and for more videos like this, click here.